Thank you so much. I have spoken at least 100 events, but I'm nervous. Sanjay did a really great job, and that made me nervous. But hey, again, it's not jury, right? So, that's how kya hoga. Yeah. So I had prepared something very different for this session, and today I just tore it off. I wanted to talk about something. I wanted to tell you guys a story that will stay with you for the entire life. So stick with me. So let's roll back to 2015 when I graduated. That sounds really old in my head. It's been 10 years since I graduated. I'll have to renew my license. But let's roll back to 2015 when I graduated, a newly graduate architect, full of ideas, doing her job, also looking to pursue masters. And I always knew that I wanted to start my own practice. I always knew that I wanted to do my own business. My father was an income tax, sales tax lawyer. I knew balance sheet, I knew computations, just like we know drawings. So looking at him, it was very clear कि मुझे architecture degree करनी है, मुझे masters करनी है, मुझे experience लेना है, and I want to set up my own studio one day. So that was very clear. So when I started taking projects, I used to, I was also doing masters at the time. At the same time, I was looking at freelancing projects. I used to look at these magazines, because Instagram was not a thing back then. So I used to subscribe to all of these top magazines where all these top designers' work were published, where they were working with celebrity clients, overseas clients, high-ticket clients, and London में holiday home बन रहा है, छतरपुर में farm house बन रहा है. I used to get very fascinated by it, but somewhere there was always this element of jealousy. Here I am, and here these guys are. So many great ideas I had so much energy, like I would just change the world. So many great ideas that were just not coming to life. And what happened was when I started doing these projects, I did not know how to position myself. I ended up doing my first 7 projects for free. Free ka kam, free ki services. That was never my intention, but that's what I ended up doing. और ऐसे करते करते 2 साल निकल गए. Fast forwarding to 2018. When I started, I had a decent portfolio, but I was somehow still underpaid. Still in that position that, people are treating you like आप हमारी बेटी जैसे हो, अरे आप कम में कर दो, हम आपको काम दिला देंगे, and all that crap. I'm sure a lot of you might have heard that already. So what happened was I used to talk to my seniors कि यार क्या करना है इसका, मतलब how do I navigate this situation? And everybody just used to say the same thing, कि ऐसे ही होता है, that's how clients are. Eventually, when you will grow, when you will have more experience, they will start paying you well. And I was like, no, this is not done. I've spent so much money on my graduation. I've spent so much money on my post-graduation. This can't be happening. And I don't know if any of you guys have been in a place where you are trying to get clients, where you're getting underpaid, but I felt absolutely trapped. Like, ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ? Where did I go wrong? I'm such a good designer. ये क्यों रहा है ये मेरे साथ? Fast forwarding to 2018, I decided to do something about it. I decided that, okay, nobody's talking about it. Maybe I should start talking about it. So I came up with this whole, EdTech program where I felt like, all the things that a graduate needs to learn about, whether it's about pursuing a job, whether it's about designing a restaurant, whether it's about building a business, XYZ, छोटी से छोटी, बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़, we need to have something of that sorts. And I started to look at funding. कि यार इसके लिए तो funding चाहिए because you need a website, you need coaches, you need teachers, you need to pay people, blah, 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 blah. So I looked at it from the perspective कि अच्छा, did a quick calculation कि 10 लाख रुपए की seed funding मुझे चाहिए होगी इसके लिए. And I went back to Karnal, which is my hometown. I spoke to my father कि, I need this much amount of money and I really want to do this. And this could actually become something big. And he didn't really 100% believe in me, but he was supportive. So that day, He gave me 1 lakh rupees and he said कि चल बेटा काम शुरू कर दो, कोई बात नहीं, देखते हैं. Let's at least first get started. काम होगा, उसके बाद देखेंगे. Then we'll talk about seed funding, whether we want to take a business loan or we want to talk to people or whatever it is. That entire day, 7th June 2018, I spent the entire day creating a business plan, business roadmap of 1 year, 3 years, creating a list of all the architects, all the interior designers in the country that I would invite to create a course or a live training on. That same night, I was very excited to show this roadmap, that this is what I've created and this is our plan of action that is going to be. That same night, before I actually could show that, my father passed away in front of my own eyes. And that 1 lakh rupee that I had for seed funding, I had to spend that money on hospital, on cremations, and my entire life trajectory took a U-turn. From a person who was doing projects in Gurgaon, from a person who was building something so big, to a person who had to move back to her hometown because she was the eldest child, she had to be the bread and butter, to a person who had to sit at her father's practice because that was the main source of income to handle multiple family members, to a person who started taking projects in tier 3 city where you get paid 1/3, by the way, to a person who's battling trauma, who is trying really hard to suppress her feelings, कि मुझे कुछ हुआ नहीं, I'm fine. 6 months I did not sleep. 6 months it was just, every time I closed my eyes, I would just see what happened. And in those 6 months, this was November 2018, one night I got tired. I got tired of being trapped. I got tired of being sad. My soul got tired कि नहीं, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा अब. Do something about it. Channelize it somewhere. That night, 4 in the morning, 4 or 4:30 in the morning, I just had this thought कि ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, नहीं हुआ, seed funding नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, but this is something that I really want to do. Why don't I start with something small? I had 2,500 rupees in my bank account at that time. I bought a domain, bought a WordPress.com subscription, did a few things here and there, spent that 2,500 rupees. Overnight, changed my Instagram account from Rapunzel_17. I saw a lot of laughs here. I was sort of very obsessed with that character once upon a time. Changed it to Utsav Kamboj and started posting about my challenges as a freelancer, as a business owner. That's it. And that led to, this trauma inside of me कि why would people give a shit about what I have to say? लोगों को क्या पड़ी है कि ये challenges होते हैं, वो challenges होते हैं. Why would people want to hear from me? And I think within a month, I got my answer. And the answer was that I gave a shit about it. The answer was that I cared enough to talk about it in front of people, and it was so strong that today evening somebody's thinking about कि यार ये मुझे कैसे करना है. Next day in the morning I had posted about it कि कैसे करना है, because I was in the same shoes, they were in the same shoes. And that is how in 2019 I became an accidental influencer, the first ever influencer, design influencer in the country. I don't associate myself as an influencer. I think I'm just an educator who found my calling, and now I'm doing it. That's it. From there, it just took the 5th gear. Got so many people who wanted to join my journey, who wanted to help me help those people, help all the young architects, young budding designers, and navigate through their life, navigate through what do they really want to do. And that's how it all came together. And the funny part is, while I was talking about advocating, while I was advocating challenges, while I was talking about, upskilling yourself, that upskilling, when you graduate, upskilling doesn't stop there. upskilling starts when you graduate, because there's so much more that you've still got to learn when you are in life. So, one challenge that we had was people did not know how to execute projects. So मैंने क्या किया? I just did a simple webinar, and I just told people that, hey, I'm building a course. It is on how do you execute your first interior project like a pro. I have not made this course. I have not even written down a single thing. It is for 3,000 rupees and you can pre-book it. And I thought, मैं बस बोल रही हूँ, कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा इसके बारे में. Why would somebody pay me 3,000 rupees for a course that is not even there yet? 700 people pre-booked that course. और मेरे दिमाग खराब हुआ था कि मैंने 3 महीने का टाइम बोला उनको कि 3 महीने में कोर्स बन के रेडी हो जाएगा. So those 3 months, I had to pull all-nighters for that one course, which is still there on my website, by the way. And then, after 3 months, when I actually announced, 1,000 more people bought it again for even a higher price. And how did I come to this thing कि लोगों को इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? Because I spoke to people. Sometimes I even take DMs, customer calls even today. In fact, even yesterday we had a very funny DM where the girl said that, you know, मैंने आपका 200 रुपए का वेबिनार खरीदा, आपने मुझे व्हाट्सएप लिंक नहीं दिया, मैं आपको ना क्रिमिनल कोर्ट ले जाऊंगी. मैंने कहा बहन खड़ जा. पहली बात तो ये कंज्यूमर कोर्ट है, क्रिमिनल कोर्ट नहीं है. बट ठीक है, here's your link. So people sometimes don't know that it is me who's talking to them on the DMs or on calls. Sometimes they just lash out and then they say, by the way, who am I talking to? And then I say, I'm Utsav. And they're like, oh, I'm sorry. We didn't know that you were there. So how did I do it? I spoke to people. I genuinely cared about it. I was passionate about making a difference. I genuinely cared about it. I did conversations, live sessions, webinars, courses, and whatnot. And as of 2024, now we have our own independent business program for people who want to start and scale their own interior or architecture design business. And it came from a lot of work. And I'm saying we because मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ, मेरी टीम है जो अभी मेरे पीछे नहीं खड़ी है, मेरे साथ नहीं खड़ी है, बैठी है. They're cheering on for me because this is my first TED Talk. But this is what we built today. And the one underlying thing that I was able to create something like this is Karma Yoga. Why Karma Yoga? Because I am not a manifestor. मेरे को manifestation आज तक समझ ही नहीं आई. हर साल न्यू ईयर्स के टाइम पे विजन बोर्ड की बहुत सारी पोस्ट्स आती हैं जो मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ती. I am not a manifestor. I am somebody who likes to work for liberation, not for bondage. I've never thought of things कि यार अच्छा ये मुझे इससे इतना मिल जाए, इससे मुझे इतना मिल जाए, because that was never the idea of starting something that was so huge that today we have trained more than 100,000 architects and interior designers in the past 5 years. Thank you so much. So what I'm trying to say here is कि whatever business you're in a service-based business or product-based business, or you're an ed-tech company, or you're a content creator, whatever it is, good clients or good customers, they don't come to you by accident. Accidentally कोई आपके पास नहीं आता है. They come to you for 3 simple things: clarity, expertise, and the brand that speaks the language that you can hear. अगर आपको चाइनीज समझ में आती है और मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर रही हूँ तो you will not care no matter how much value I'm providing to you. So clarity, expertise, and a brand who speaks the language that you want to hear. That is how clients are drawn. अब बहुत सारे लोग ये कहते हैं कि ठीक है, मतलब वी आर वर्किंग विद क्लाइंट्स बट हम ये नहीं कर पा रहे, हम क्लाइंट्स नहीं ला पा रहे, हम तो सिर्फ रेफरल्स के साथ काम कर पा रहे हैं. बहुत सारे इस तरह के इशूज़ आते हैं हमारे साथ. सो हियर्स वन थिंग दैट आई वुड वांट टू से. ओके, लेट्स इमेजिन दिस. पास्ता खाते हैं सब? Everybody loves pasta, yeah, कितने सारे ऐसा है. So just imagine there is a chef A and there is a chef B who is selling a classic pasta on the same road. ठीक है? And I want to really understand this principle because this principle will be the core of whatever you do in your professional life. Chef A does a lot of hard work and creates a really good pasta. लेकिन उसका presentation बेकार है. Okay? In fact, the whole ambience of the restaurant ऐसा ही है, कुछ नहीं as such. Not just that, there's nothing for the customer to remember about that chef or their pasta or that restaurant whatsoever. लोग आते हैं, खाते हैं, चले जाते हैं. Then there is chef B. Same pasta बना रहा है वो भी, same pasta, कोई different नहीं है. But presentation. But the ambience that that person creates in that restaurant. क्योंकि कोई भी इंसान जब किसी restaurant में आता है, they don't directly eat from their mouth, they first eat with their eyes. Then they eat with their nose and then they eat with their mouth. So the ambience that you create, that encourages people to buy from you. That is key. So number one, the presentation. Number two, the ambience or the experience that you create for that customer. And number three, storytelling. Pasta आप ला रहे हो, सब्जियां भी आप ला रहे हो. But could you tell me a story about how did you source those vegetables? Any funny story that happened to you in the morning? Or how did you learn that particular dish? How did you learn or where did you learn to make that dish? Is there a very beautiful story about that small town where you actually interned and learned about this particular dish? Stories sell. Whether you are in an interview, whether you are, working with clients, or whether you're standing here. That's why I'm telling you a story. So, coming back to today, started with a 4-figure investment and made 8 figures today. What could I have done differently is I would have picked up my speed much faster. How? The first thing that you have to understand is like a lot of you are, doing MBAs here. You know what you want to do, right? And now you will learn how you want to do it, correct? But once you have cracked both of these things, the last thread is to pick up speed. Success loves speed, failure loves indecision. जो चीज़ मैं आज कर रही हूँ, यही this same achievement could have been done in 2022 if I was a bit faster and bit more clearer on this is exactly what I want to achieve. But I was not. For a lot of reasons, ठीक है, let's not talk about it. I am an architect, I'm an urban designer. I have a firm called Upscale Architects. We are 3 architects and partners in the firm. And I parallelly run this company called Arkia, which I've just talked to you guys about. But here's one thing that is common in everything, okay? The one thing that is common is that how you are creating that experience for your client, for your customer, for your student, and how you are creating that entire roadmap for them to actually get tangible results. Smaller results, start with smaller results. For example, if you're working with a client, you're going to work with clients after a couple of years, right? It's not just about कि अरे ये हमने we want to just build something like this. It's about the smaller problems that those guys are facing. कि ये क्यों हो रहा है? ये क्यों चाहिए आपको? It's not about कि अरे वो हमारे लिए Pinterest वाले designs लेके हमारे सामने आ जाते हैं. No, it's about what do they really want. So what I'm going to say is that it's important for anybody to first understand कि मुझे क्या करना है, then understand मुझे कैसे करना है, and then just pick up speed and do it. I have picked up speed. In fact, I'll tell you something. Since I am coming from social media here, I am actually a camera shy person. I had to take a course on how to make videos for YouTube to become camera friendly. And why I started on camera is because my husband forced me to. कि नई वीडियोस बनाओ, क्राउज़र से कुछ नहीं होगा, वीडियोस बनाओ, वीडियोस आर किंग, कंटेंट इज किंग. So that is how I ended up doing this. So for every single thing that I did not know, I upskilled myself. वीडियो बनानी है, मार्केटिंग करनी है, सेल्स पिच करनी है, प्रेजेंटेशंस बनानी है, स्पीच देनी है, every single thing. I have either read a book about it or I have done a course about it, and that is how I have been able to fast forward. But yes, I'll say I would have done it better. I could have fast forward much faster, but I hope that you guys get a good takeaway from this. Thank you.